We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen to these other workers moving forward.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, of course, guys, we go over the funny article first. We have Asian Pacific stocks rise as U.S. investors watch the actual C-word situation. And like I stated, they're going to ride this into the fourth industrial revolution. We have China overtakes U.S. as world leading destination for foreign direct investment. And guys, like I spoke on my main channel, the Crypto Teacher channel, and also this channel, China is going to rise over America to Babylon. The dragon is going to rise. I did a video on the Belt and Road on this channel and a few on my main channel, the Crypto Teacher channel. So guys, please check those out. Because definitely when it comes to the emerging markets, China, Japan, Africa, India, they're rising out of poverty and they come into the middle class. While as we can see, the American middle class is going into the poverty. And we know that is by design, guys. Now we have stock futures jump ahead of a busy week for the earnings. So guys, we also have the Fed meeting the 26th and the 27th. What do we know about this, guys? We know everything is timing, we know everything is dates, and we know when it comes to the New World Order, everything is planned out. So that means all your dates, everything are planned out. Now we know when Jerome is speaking, what happens? The markets are up. We know the Fed cuts that check every Tuesday. We know it's not as much because they did cut some of the facilities, but they still have a few open. They don't close until March 31st. And when does the Fed meet? The Fed doesn't meet again until the middle of March. Definitely, guys, that is by design. You already know. So, guys, let's go into some stocks that are actually to look at because, like I stated, this is definitely going to be a big week. Anytime it's earnings, that's the easiest time to make money. Now, the big one, of course, we have Facebook, Apple, and Tesla. But let's get into a few more. We have stock futures up. I see tomorrow as a flat, non-busy day. But when it comes into the rest of the week, I definitely see us picking up. So Tuesday, guys, we have Raytheon Technologies, Johnson & Johnson, GE, 3M, Lockheed Martin, American Express. So Lockheed Martin, American Express, I definitely see doing well. We have Verizon, Microsoft, Starbucks, and Capital One. And Capital One, I definitely see it doing well. Because remember I said bank stocks are going to be doing well. Now, Wednesday, we have Boeing, which is going to be up in the air. We had that little crash, but we see they're finally getting things together. We have Blackstone, of course. They're going to have pretty good numbers, guys. Blackstone. We have AT&T. I see having pretty good numbers. Also, we have Tesla. That's up in the air. And, of course, we have Apple. Now, Thursday, we have Xilinx, McDonald's, the airline stocks, American Airlines, Southwest, guys. We already knew that took a big hit. JetBlue. I see MasterCard definitely doing pretty good. But, guys, we know the airline stocks are going to take a hit right now. But like I stated, spring and summer, I definitely see them making a comeback. We also have Visa reporting also on Thursday. And then ending, guys, we have Friday. We have Chevron, which I do seeing well. And we also have Caterpillar that I also see it doing well. And then, of course, Charter Communications definitely probably would do well also. But guys, you see the stocks there. Make sure you put them on your calendar. Dig in, do your research, and see which ones you want to invest in. Of course, I'm still going to be doing a video on a daily basis going over those stocks. But guys, it's definitely going to be an opportunity, whether those stocks take a hit or whether those stocks pump. Because basically, like I stated, with the airline stocks, do they take a hit? I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Definitely do your own research, but it definitely would be a good time to entry. So with a lot of these stocks, you're going to have a perfect time to enter. And with a lot of these stocks, depends on when you got in, you may have an opportunity, if you want to take some profits off the table. Now, this earnings week, of course, is a tech week. We know tech holds down the stock market. I've been over that several times. So we know the way tech moves is the way the stock market moves. Like I stated, guys, I can't say this enough. We're definitely going to have a correction this quarter. It happens every year. So there's nothing wrong with taking a little profits off the table. We know that majority of these market caps are inflated by the Fed. I've proven it time and time again. So please do not get greedy, guys. But I definitely see a decent week for stocks overall. Now let's get into the actual indicators. We have the dollar a little down, not a lot. We had the VIX up on Friday, so of course we'll check that in the morning. And then plus, guys, we have the yields moved up. So guys, they're not letting up on the yields. They're letting the yields rise. Now, guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to check out the Crypto Teacher channel. Learn the new crypto economy plus actual blockchain, because stocks are going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. So like, subscribe, spread the channel everywhere. And this channel, guys, like, subscribe, spread everywhere, and y'all have a wonderful day.
For a bubble top, it's crazy behavior. You look at the over-the-counter trading. I was a big over-the-counter trader in the speculative bubble of 1969. I'd almost forgotten there was a over-the-counter. But last February, it traded about 80 million shares for the month. And it worked its way steadily through the year until November was about 380. So it had gone up 4 times. And then in December, it went to 1.15 trillion shares for the month. Having tripled, it then tripled again in the single month of December. I can't tell you what it's going to be in January, but these are spectacular performances. My own stock in QuantumScape, it came into the market at 10 and shot up to 130. At 130, it was bigger than General Motors or Panasonic. And this is a brilliant company, but it has no trouble admitting that it won't be producing any batteries for 4 years. So no sales, no profits, and bigger than GM. There is nothing like that in 1929, nothing of that scale, nothing like that in 2000. The Ciscos of the world were pretty serious companies, but they didn't get to this